Hello binary option traders, welcome once again. As usual, I'll show you how to trade with support and resistance levels on IQ option platform. So we have an upward channel. So I'll do a call option. This is our upward channel the market is using. We had a fake out at this point, and immediately we got a rejection from this horizontal level of support and resistance. So our next resistance area is at this point, or this horizontal level, on this trend line. So we expect the market to move more up to that trend line, because now we have broken this level. You can see we have broken this level. Let me use another color so that you can see. So after breaking this area with this candle, I expect the buyers to move more up. So our target is here, not here anymore, because we've broken this area. So we're having again seller's entry on the same level. Let's check on this other pair. Very bad market. I'll stick this other pair. So let's see if the buyers can push again. So the buyers have failed to push up. So we wait and see what happens. So the sellers are, again we're getting a rejection. Okay, here we have our level of support and resistance. If you can close below, I'll do a put option. Still not a good market. So here we have not closed above the level, so it's good just to wait. So the market is rejecting on this horizontal level of support and resistance. So we are consolidating on this area. Very strong rejection from above. So I expect the sellers to push the market down. But let's wait, because this is not the best market to trade in, but that's the opportunity that I can see at the moment. Even here, I expect the sellers to move more down. Again, we're getting buyers. Very strong buyers entry, even after very strong rejection from above. So it's just good to avoid this market. So we've lost this trade. I took this put option because we got a rejection from our level of support and resistance. Again, I'll take another put option. So I took that trade because we got a rejection from a level of support and resistance. After the rejection, we got a bearish candle from the same level. So I expected the market continue moving more down. That's why I did a put option on that trade. Again, on this other live candle, I've seen a rejection, a very strong rejection. And I understand a possible area of support is this upward line. So that's why I've done a put option on this trade. Wait for this candle to close. So we won that trade. So we lost this trade because I expected the buyers to continue moving more up, but they did not. Instead, the sellers entered from this horizontal level of support and resistance. This trade, I took this trade because we broke the level of support and resistance, this area. So I expected the sellers to come and test this next support level before the buyers can enter, and that's what happened. You can see the buyers entered after the sellers testing this level of support and resistance. So here I took a buy option because of this strong momentum by the buyers. So I expected the buyers to move more up. You can see the buyers again are entering just close to this trend line, very strong. So if they break this level, they'll be targeting this horizontal level, this trend line. So I think I'll stop trading from here. Keep watching the other videos in this channel for you to understand more about this strategy of support and resistance. If you are interested in joining our mentorship training program, you can contact me directly through the link in the description below. Keep practicing, stay safe, and bye bye.